In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can download a single page from a multi-page design in Canva. So I have this document and it has 3 different pages, but I just want to download the photo or the page from the page number 2. So how do you do that? Well, you can click share and then you can click the download button right here, and then after that you can select the file format. It really depends on what is the document that you are working on. If you're working on a video, then you might want to select MP4 video. If you're working on the PowerPoint, then you might want to select PPTX. But basically, you want to select the format that is appropriate for the document. So in this case, I'm going to be selecting PNG, and after that, I want to select just the page number 2. This is where you can play around with what pages that you want to download from this document. So I'm going to select the page number 2, but first I'm going to remove all the checkbox, and after that I'm going to just select the page number 2 and click done, and let's click download. So I just want to get the page, this page, not this page, not this page, but I want to get this page. And after that, this is the picture. Let's open it on the browser, and we got this picture, which is the page number 2 that we just downloaded from this multi-page document. So there you have it. That's how you can download a single page from a multi-page design in Canva. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.